Hello everyone, my name is Kabir Singh and I'll be presenting my user research on ZARA website. As we all know, ZARA is a fast fashion brand. It's an apparel company which is well known all over the world and they are taking a good stand with their fashion forward trend. During my research, we can see the ZARA, I was going through the ZARA website and I was able to understand the fact that they uh, evolve with the trend as well as the changing season, and they trying to keep the design minimalistic, making it easier for the user to understand and keeping it minimalistic. They try to don't uh, provide over information to the user, keeping it a little straightforward. In the next slide, you can see the drop-down menu, which is on the left top corner on the website, which showcases the sections they are dealing in, the products they are providing, and everything they like to present to the user. We can see this is the collection page of the website. After going through, I was able to think of the design being extra minimalistic. While I can see they are displaying the products, but still there is an inconsistency of space. There is a negative space, which can be dealt with by organizing the design and structuring the design, which because this design might confuse the user thinking the products being laid out in an inconstructive manner. During my research, I started with competitive analysis, and after knowing about the website and going through and trying to understand the website, I continued with my website analysis and the comparative analysis. And during my comparative analysis, I can say that the two strong brands which uh, are a competition to the ZARA are H&M and Gap. We can see in this slide that H&M and ZARA both try to keep the design minimalistic, yet the H&M is able to keep the design centered properly, and I can see their call to action more easier. But in terms of ZARA, it's a little bit more difficult to access them. It's not right in front of you. But at the same time, ZARA is keeping the design and the theme of their stores as well as their whole presentation being more minimalistic and holding on to their consistent theme. In this slide, we can see that ZARA and the Gap, how different they are from each other in representing the things. ZARA being minimalistic from the start, we can see the Gap is all over the place in terms of providing information and is a little bit confusing, and it makes the user absorb extra information which is not right in the start as well. But at the same time, ZARA being minimalistic, which is trying to please the consumer with aesthetic elements, is also leaving them to ask questions where to find the call to action or how to access different areas on the website. On this page, we can see that these are the points which these websites are better on in terms of representing to their website. The right placement, as it's we can see on the H&M ZARA website and the Gap website being more structured. Next, we can see for going through my research, we constructed a journey map to understand how the user react to the website while going through different a scenario where they can see they want to buy something, but how it makes them happy and how they make them sad during the whole structure. Um, I also conducted a survey during the process with primary goal of understanding the competitor as well as trying to understand how user react to the whole website. This is the data collected during the process, and it helped me understand the more about the website, how ZARA is better at something in terms of competitor as well as what there is lacking in terms of the whole design and user experience. The user interview was also conducted, which which helped me understand the behavior aspect of the user. and it gave me a strong point of understanding how the user will react throughout the website, through their body language, as well as how will their response during the task provided. Pre-JAT testing was also done, which was quite helpful to understand how the user react to the navigation of the website, and how are they going to respond to it, because that actually requires a lot of improvement in terms of the website. This is the data collected during the testing. As you can see, there was some indirect and direct failure, but 50% were able to get to the answer easily. The final conclusion, I can say that these are the improvements we can make in a final design, and we can make changes which can improve the design and result in combining the good points from the competitors, as well as learning from their mistakes, like adding on the necessary information more accessible, making it more accessible, and having a clearer yet minimalistic design. Thank you.